Why didn't I think of this earlier? From next week, every time we review a product on Micks Woodwork Wonders YouTube channel, I'm going to give that product away. Now this might be something small like a £30–40 spirit level, and it might be something big like this £300–400 laser level. Now we're going to be reviewing this next week, and then one lucky subscriber on the YouTube channel who comments on that video is going to get this for nothing. Now I've decided to do this because YouTube's getting a bit stale, and I think I need to do something a little bit more radical.
I have a radical idea.
To get that excitement going again. So this is going to be a regular thing. Every time we review a product, which we review a lot of products, I'm going to give that product away.
That is amazing!
You need to make sure you subscribe to the Micks Woodwork Wonders YouTube channel, or you won't be in for a chance, because you can't just comment. It's got to be a comment from a subscriber. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you watch for the product review videos, and make sure you comment, and you might win yourself a brand new laser level, and then again you might win yourself something else.
Where do I sign?
It's time to get radical. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you comment, and you never know, you might win yourself a bit of kit. Not yet. Make sure you go and subscribe first, and watch out for the first video next week.